Sometimes you may have way more subtools than you really need, and it can be helpful to combine some into one. This is easy to do, and don't worry, you can always split them apart again if you need to. Let's open up the Hank exercise file. I'm just going to click and drag to open this and hit Edit to go into edit mode. I'm also going to hit F so we can see it more clearly on screen. Let's also close the light box that's just in the way. Alright, let's open up the subtool subpalette. Let's first talk about merging subtools into one. Let's say we want these two shoes to be the same subtool. First, I'm going to arrange the shoes so that they're next to each other in the list. I'm going to move this one shoe up one, and then I'm going to use merge down. What merge down does is it combines two subtools into one by taking the one that's currently selected and merging it with the one below it. So I've got the top shoe selected, and I'll just click merge down. It's just reminding me that this is not undoable, and this is what I want, so I'm going to hit OK. Now you can see the shoes are one subtool. The Merge Visible button will merge all subtools that are currently visible into one new tool. Let's say that I want the pants to be one subtool again. I'm going to hide all the other subtools and then click Merge Visible. So we'll just select the top part of the pants and hide all these other subtools. We've just got the two subtools of the pants visible now. If I click on Merge Visible, what happens is ZBrush makes a new tool up here in the toolbox called Merge Hank Clothes. So if I just click on this, you can see it's a single subtool now. This could be appended back into our other tool. Now there's one setting that affects merging, and that's Weld. Let's go back to the Hank Clothes tool. Weld will make any vertices that occupy the same space to be joined when they're merged. So to demonstrate, I'm just going to turn this off and click Merge Visible. Now we'll go up and look at the new tool that it created in the toolbox. So it looks just like the other one that we made, but if I go into the Move Topological tool, which is BMG, and then try to move this, actually let me zoom in so we can see more clearly, what happens is it splits apart at the seam where it used to be two different subtools. This is because the vertices were not merged. If I go back to the one that I made previously, where Weld was turned on, you can see if I use the Move Topological, it stays together. That's because the vertices were welded. Although it can be complicated, it's a good idea to understand all of these functions that you can do with subtools. Many times creating a model involves a lot of breaking off, adding to, switching around, and other types of manipulating. The advanced control you get with subtools gives you the flexibility to make these changes.